Okay.
Now it's recording.
All right, I'll get you now.
All right.
Is there sound on it?
Oh yeah, there's sounds. You might hear me swearing.
Oh no, we don't want any swear words. You'll never be able to put this on YouTube if you have swear words.
Oh, I know what that is. That's my insert. Okay. Let's see how this works. Might have to go running after that.
Oh, I better stand back so I can get this whole effect. She's got a hold of the middle. And she pulls that up.
This is after watching the video I don't know how many times.
Are you timing it, Michael?
No, I'm not timing it.
Pulls that out. And pulls that leg out. Look, it's almost a tent. I got to get back farther.
Might run into Mike's tree here.
Well, I'm running into his rock.
Okay.
Well, you're halfway there. It's up, sort of. And she pulls that out. And it snaps. And she pulls out the other one and it snaps. This is supposed to be big enough for 6 people.
8.
8 people, I'm corrected. All right. She's getting all of these side things out. The good part is going to see her put it back into that little box. Oh, it goes higher.
Sorry, I'm running into your tree.
That's all right. She's going to sleep out here tonight in it.
No, I'm not.
I've lost her. She's on the other side of the tent. A good swift wind comes along and the whole tent flies off into Neverland. And around she goes.
And it's up.
I'll be doggone. How about that?
This needs to be staked.
Well, I'm amazed. It took her about 3 minutes. Maybe a little more. Oh, there's got a front and a back door. Hi there, nice to see you.
That's a good size.
Yes, it is.
This is really a nice tent. Wow.
And it's got a privacy screen. I can put a screen up.
What does that do?
Well, if I want to have like a seating area in the front or something.
Don't put any pronged chairs on here.
No. Those are vents.
Wow, it's quite a tent.
Yeah, it's a vent.
Can you get a queen size bed in here?
I can get 2 in here.
Okay.
See, I can get 2 in here. I only need 1.
It is pretty slick, isn't it? Well, now we're going to have you put it away.
I know. As soon as Mike stops messing.
Oh yeah, we don't want him in that bag.
Why?
You gotta roll him up in the bag.
Now this is gonna be the fun part, is trying to put it back in the bag.
In 1 minute.
No, not in 1 minute.
Do you still want me to tape it?
Yeah, I want to know how I do it.
Well, okay,
Wanna hold that for me, please?
where are you going to start?
Where I ended up.
Okay, all right.
It's supposed to go back the way you undid it, or where you put it up.
So you unhook each of these legs and collapse that down.
Yep.
And the tent is collapsing. I'm following her around as she releases each of these legs. I hope you don't get dizzy. And the next step is to do what?
You're
Pushing in the top
top
parts.
And there's 4 of those.
Okay.
Ouch.
But you will have help taking it down.
Taking it down, yes.
That will
Putting
be.
it up, no. Okay. Then I'm supposed to push these in. Maybe.
Oh, so they bend the other way.
Yep.
And fold up the sides. Is there a way to hook it together?
No.
You just pull them in and hope, huh? The fellow who designed this went to MIT.
Again, it's not helping me right now.
You're lucky you got it up before the wind picked up, or it would have been flying into the next county. Okay. Now she's got them all clustered together. What's the next step?
I'm not done yet.
Uh,
One more leg.
one more leg.
Now they're all clustered.
Okay, and then?
Now I'm supposed to take this, one of these legs, or these pieces of fabric, and roll it around. Like so.
Roll it around.
And lay it on the ground. And then
Squish all the air out of it.
it's supposed to roll just like a regular tent.
Okay, she's gonna roll it.
I'm gonna try.
She's had practice doing this. We laid on and rolled up a water bed to squish all the water out of it.
I did?
We did. You and I did.
When did I do that?
When we sold the water bed. And that girl came over and we somehow got it into the back trunk.
Oh yeah! Okay. Now
Now
not
what?
exactly rolled the way they had it.
It doesn't look like it's going in that bag.
Well, we'll see what happens.
Ooh, you got stuff in there.
Yeah, it's still the stakes.
She's going to attempt to put 430 feet of canvas or plastic into
Don't get my butt.
a 10-foot bag.
I did a really terrible rolling up job.
It's sort of like taking a dress pattern, using it, and then trying to fold it and get it back into its original package. Dressmakers understand that.
This could be interesting.
I can't believe she's actually stuffing it into that bag. Don't forget to put all your little ties and things back in there. She's zipping it up and pushing it in. I'm sure she'll do a better job on the 14th time she does it. Okay, now you better stuff those other things in there, honey.
I won't use those for camping. I have my own. Those are too flimsy
But you got a couple of ties there. What are those for?
for the tie down.
Oh. Voila! Ta-ta! She did
One
it!
person!
Look at
can do
that! One person can do it. Okay.
it. Hit the big silver button.
I hit the silver button.